So this is our First Tech Challenge robot. The First Tech Challenge is the third level of the first progression of programs. First is a worldwide program. There's 4 different levels of it. There's Junior FLL, FLL, FTC, and FRC. This is an FTC program robot, and FTC is for middle and high school students. In Maryland, there are over 90 teams, and in the world, there's over 6,000 teams. In the competition, the objective is to pick up these blocks and put them in baskets. That's what a robot accomplishes, mainly. And there are several different teams in the world, and you compete among the teams in your area for the robotics competition. You compete for judged awards. There are awards like the Inspire Award, which recognizes the most prestigious team that performs very well in all judging categories. A couple weeks ago, we got the Inspire Award at the Maryland State Championship, and so we're going to the Super Regional Championship next week. Teams are based out of schools, they're based out of Girl Scout troops. We're actually based out of a Boy Scout troop. We've been around for 7 years, so I was a founding member, and we pull new people from our Boy Scout troop to perform in the team. The point of First is to get students involved with STEM. We have several different portions of this competition, which includes the programming, the designing, the building, the public speaking, the teamwork. You'll learn a lot of things that prepares you for a career in STEM.
We're going to go into the wall. Explain the robot.
So the robot here, it was designed around a few different constraints. The first being that it has to fit within 18 by 18 inches. The objective, as I said, is to pick up these blocks and put them in that basket over there. You can only carry 4 at a time. We completed this with an arm with a bucket on the end of it, and it's beveled so that it can scoop up the blocks against the wall nicely. You put them in the baskets, and the basket is on a pendulum, and so our arm can raise in case the pendulum is unbalanced. There's also a part of the game where the robot has to do a lift on its own. James, let me show them the lift. So there's a bar in the middle of the field that they hook onto the bar, and I'll pretend my hand's the bar. And the robot has to do a pull-up. And the other part of the game is by spinning this, you're raising a flag because you're spinning a spindle. And you do a lot of this in remote control, but some of it is done in an autonomous mode, where the robot controls itself, and it searches for IR beacons to score in specified baskets.
How to take stickers?
Yes. And other lots. Excuse me.
Oh god, there's lag.
Right. Just disconnect the video.